Hi there. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about how I made this video with this tool. So let's jump right in. Yes, so for the video, I made use of three tools. That's Sora AI, Kling AI, and also CapCut, to do some finishing touches. Yeah, so let's head to ChatGPT. I did not go to Sora AI platform directly, but I went through ChatGPT. So you see it on the side panel here. You click on Sora. Now, in Sora AI, what we are going to do basically is to create the image, not the video. We use Kling AI to create the video. So you can see here we have described your image. So now this is Explore. In order to be able to create, you can see the works that several other people have done. So you can simply go to, or just simply come here. If you've uploaded before, just go to Uploads. But since you want to check the image, say from your device, or you've uploaded before and you still want to access it, you can really do from here. So this plus sign here, just click on it to ask you if you want to choose from library or upload from device. I've uploaded the image before, so I'll just choose from library rather, in order to save time. So I'll go to Uploads. So this is a product packaging design that I did for a brand. I did for a brand in Nigeria, and I just started to play around with it with the AI tool. So I'm going to click on this and use selected media. So it has added here. Now, if you want to use multiple images to create your scene, your poster, or whatever it is, you can just click here and then add more. But we are going to make use of this one. And I would use the same prompts that I used the last time in order to save time. So I'll just go ahead and I'll copy from here and then I'll bring it here. So you can see how plenty the prompt is. This is to describe what I want to the AI tool, to describe how I want it, what I want it to do for me. So I started by telling me that this is a mock-up shot of a product, a whey protein shake. And now I want you to do this, do that, do this for me. And I detailed everything I wanted it to do. And here you can select if you want to create a video or an image. And if you're not subscribed to Sora or ChatGPT, you won't be able to create image on the free version. So here, the aspect ratio, either portrait, landscape, or square. You can see the aspect ratios, but we're going to stick with portrait 2:3. Then one version or two variations. So I'm going to click two variations. So it's going to create two, and I'm going to select one from the two it creates. So now instead of generate, since I supplied it with an image, it's asking me to remix. So let us click remix and wait for it to generate. So you can see here, top right corner, the activity. It is rolling, so it is working. While that is going on, you give it time to load and to create the image. While that is going on, these are, when you go to my media, things you've done before. This is the new one, and these are the old ones that I've created before, using similar prompts that I've touched. These are the old ones, the new ones. Let's see. So I'm going to pause here so that it can create, and then we continue from there. So now it is ready, and it has created the two variations for us. These are the new images it just created. So look at the two of them, and we have to select one that I want to go ahead with. So this is one, this is one. So I'm going to go with the, so in that image, you could see that there's a cityscape behind it. There's a cityscape. So what I did actually was to remix, but let's not do that. So we don't waste too much time. What I did basically was to remix this image again using a different prompt to tell it to add this, add that, add this, add that. So let's go directly to Kling AI, which is the next tool. So this is Kling AI, and basically what we're doing here is to create the video. video form of that particular picture that we created in Sora AI. So now what we're going to do is create. So you have to actually sign up for the free version to be able to create anything. So this is how the dashboard looks, and you see things that other people have worked on before in the explore section. So this is where we are coming, the video aspect. This is the image. And Kling AI is not actually as good as Sora when it comes to, in my own experience, when it comes to image. So you come to video. Now, this is the video dashboard. And this is what I've actually done before. I've used it for image and also for video, several iterations. Then let me just pause this. So here, the simple step is, you can see text to video. This is when you don't have an initial image you want to use, and you want to directly give it a prompt to create a video for you out of nothing. And this is image to video, which we are making use of. And when you come down here, you can see click, drop, or paste. We'll be doing one of those. And for the version 2.1, which is new, that actually can be accessed by only premium users. Yeah. So I'm still on the free version. As you can see here, I have 95.40 credits. Yeah. Per month, you'll be given 166 credits per month, and you can use it as you like. I think to generate one image, one video, you make use of 35 credits, which is, I think, is a good one. You can generate like up to 4 videos in a month, depending on the duration. So in order to create your video very, very fast, you come here and you use the Kling 1.6. So it gives you a very good video, and also, as you can see here, you have start and end. Now for the free version, you can actually pick 2. You can use start and end. So you can either use one. So we're going to be using the end in this because I want it to start from the prompt to the image. So the action is going to start from the prompt and then to the image. So what we're going to do is click on the end, upload or select from history. So I'm going to paste here. So I'm dragging the image I downloaded from Sora AI, and I'm uploading here. So we have the image here, and you can see it is at the end. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use DeepSeek to tell it what to do. Now again, I've created the prompt before, so I'm just going to copy the prompt and then paste. So it is basically, let the product slam the platform in an earth-shaking manner, causing the chocolate dust, particles and bars to outburst, blah 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 blah. Just something epic, something cinematic. And then you come down here. If you want to do any other thing, you do. But for the sake of this tutorial, nothing. We're just going to. So here you can see 5 seconds or 10 seconds. We're going to stick with 5 seconds. And output, just one output, in order not to waste credits. So I click generate. So the same thing we did for the other one has been submitted, and give it time to generate. You can see immediately I click generate, the credit has gone from 95 to 60. So what we do now is wait for it to generate. This is it generating. So after rendering for about 8 minutes, this is what it looks like. So this doesn't look very good. This is not what I was expecting, but of course it is an AI tool, and you can always go back to remix the prompt. You can always go back to look at it, check what you have in your prompt, and then edit it to your liking. So that is it. Yes. Final step is actually to download it. Final step is to download it. And one thing about Kling AI is that I don't know if it works like that for the premium version, but for this free version, you cannot actually download the video, the video with the audio. It will not work. So what you have to do is download the audio separately, download the video separately, and take them to CapCut to merge. That is the way you can do it. That is how I did the previous one. And that is how it worked. So that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Till we meet again in the next video. Peace.